Woohoo, we're live. This is Math 60, Intermediate Algebra, Section 6.1, page number 4. And we have a little eensy-beensy problem to do that I didn't want to stick onto that last graphing video. But this is a possible problem you might come across in your homework. And it seems very simple. Find the domain of g of x. And it's a rational expression. You've got a couple of polynomials, and you might, hopefully after doing a lot of the homework, you might be tempted to just factor the heck out of everyone. And the thing is I want to caution you and say, well, it does serve to be just a little bit lazier than that and to think about what you actually need to know. So this is not asking you to simplify. This is not asking you to reduce or to graph. What you need to do here is find the domain. It's a lot simpler. So let's talk about it. In a rational expression, so the domain of a rational expression generally boils down to this guy up here is generally okay. If it's polynomial, it's fine. If you've got something more exciting, like and I hate to terrify you, but like sometimes if there's a radical here, a square root, then you got bigger fish to fry. But that's not this section. So in this section, this is going to be a polynomial. So generally speaking, the top is going to be fine. This part right here, you need your denominator. So the denominator can't equal 0. And the best way to find out when something isn't equal to 0 is to find out when it is and just say, just avoid those. So let's take a look at this one. To find the domain, I'm going to look at the denominator. So I look at x squared minus 49. I think, thank goodness, this is a difference of 2 squares. And I want to take them, set them equal to 0. And then I'm going to use the 0 property that says, well, if these two multiplied together give me 0, then either x plus 7 equals 0 or x minus 7 equals 0. Well, if x plus 7 equals 0, x equals negative 7. If x minus 7 equals 0, x equals positive 7. So my two possibilities are that x equals negative 7 or x equals 7. But I have to remember, after we're having this big party, the difference of squares party, which I know everyone loves having those, we're going to look up here and go, oh, wait. These aren't good points. These are bad points. Not that any points are really bad. They just have made some, questionable choices. I think everyone really can recover from bad choices. And we shouldn't necessarily refer to these as bad points, just bad choices. Okay, so, but for our domain, what we're really interested in is right now, don't let x equal plus or minus 7. I mean, later on, sure. Another setting, yes. Once they learn to make better choices, yes. But plus or minus 7 really seem dead set on making our denominator 0. The world will explode. Everything will be lost. Think of the puppies. Think of the cupcakes. I mean, really, this is too big to lose. So don't let x equal plus or minus 7 in this case. Woo, that's our domain. And 6.1 is done. Bam.